What is up, everyone? Kyle here. Gonna get the Shelby out for just a little bit today, do a little initial driving impressions with the turbos. Gonna do a full video later. Don't have a lot of time this morning. Gonna run some errands, take the Shelby with. I'm gonna show you guys kind of how it drives, things like that. Can't find my normal camera mount, so that's why it's gonna be a little less than normal. I'll find that and do a full video where I can do more than one camera, do some exhaust videos, things like that. But unfortunately, because I can't find it and I'm in a hurry, this is it. Oh well. I'm going to show you guys how the new turbo sound. They make a ton of noise. They spool basically at 2,000 RPMs, which is nice. They're the new Hellions 5862s. Yes, 58s. They're good for about 1,250 horsepower from what I've been told by John, which 1,250 horsepower in this thing with the DCT is still going to be just outrageous. It just has Toyos R888Rs on all four corners, so it's not like we need to put down a ton of power, but with how fast they spool, just the torque curve is just feels insane. It feels so much better than what the 64s is. 64s made a ton of power, as you guys saw me going 811 at 374 miles an hour.
Look at Kyle Jones. Oh, wow. 811, 173 miles an hour for Jones.
A ton of power, but for street use, isn't quite usable with this video. Woo! So you guys saw that, not quite usable with the TH400 and all that power. That was only 18 PSI, car saw about 30 at the track, so I was only using about half the turbos. This, I can use more PSI to get kind of the same feel, but it makes so much more torque down low that I don't even turn it up that high. We only run about 10 on the street, and I don't really get into it that often just because it feels like it pulls so much quicker down low. Got some 1-ethanol mixed into the tank. As you can see, it's 59 degrees. I guess AFRs are a little low. Car is snapping, popping, just a little spicy this morning. But I love putting it in manual mode, just driving. As you guys saw a little bit there. At the beginning, I can just throw it in auto and just drive away. Couldn't do that with the bigger turbos. Don't know why. I guess it was some tuning thing or some torque table that we had no access to that kept throwing weird stuff. But now I can just throw it in auto if I want. But this thing just feels so good down low. I just like putting it in manual mode, keeping it around 2,000 RPMs and just feeling that torque kick in, which honestly is about perfect for just street driving. So pulling into Quick Trip here, gonna grab a drink and then we'll get going. starts right up. What is up, everyone? We are back home. All I have to say is, wow, this car is a lot of fun to drive with this current setup. That wing, really feel a difference through turns. When I just had the swing and the gurney flat, back end kind of felt like it wanted to float around. Now it feels like the front end's a little light just because it's squatting in the back. Might have to turn down the wing just a little bit for street use, or I can throw some more downforce at the front. Haven't decided what I want to do yet. But honestly, just a blast. So much fun to drive. Gonna turn this video in just like a POV video, just me driving, simply because I couldn't find my mounts. They're sitting around the house somewhere. Forgot where I put them. Oh well. So I'm gonna get those mounts so I can show you guys just how fun this car actually is. Not really pushing it, and it's just an absolute blast to drive. So there it is, guys. This little POV video today. More videos coming soon. Gonna talk about the turbos more in depth, like a tech video on that. I'm gonna go over that rear diffuser. Seems to be working. Obviously haven't been able to push the car super hard yet. Rear wing definitely working. You can look at that, look how good that looks. Let me refocus. Look how good that thing looks. So rear wing definitely working. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Go throw on some more shorts here and there as well. Those seem to be working pretty well. Whatever you guys want to see, let me know in the comments. We'll try to get to it. I do read all the comments. Sometimes I just don't reply if I'm at work or something like that. So yeah, so there it is, guys. More videos coming. See y'all soon.